Everybody wake up. Congratulations, you didn't play yourself. I appreciate every single one of y'all. You're motivating, you're inspiring. It's only right we celebrate our wins. You've been working hard. Yeah. So now it's time to play hard. Yeah. Taking everybody on vacation, where the blue waters of the ocean looks like Listerine. We're gonna celebrate the beautiness of the Caribbean. Yeah. Jerk chicken, rice and peas, dumpling, lobster from the ocean. We're gonna be liming. Yeah. Let's slide. To the Caribbean.
Yeah, people, so we finally get a chance to see what Shenseea and DJ Khaled was working on, right? And this was quick. May I have, like, you know what I mean, big up the people that are responsible for it, which is Carib overall, but, you know what I mean, we talk specifically the director, and that's Gil Green, right? And all of the other people that were involved in this project, because, you know what I mean, they were on the shoot when they were on the live, and it's like last week, and already we are seeing a music video. But we don't know. Maybe they did a work on the rest of it and then just finish up with the DJ Khaled part the other day. You see what I say? So we never know. But either way, it look quick, people. So far, you know what I mean, we see DJ Khaled do him thing, him do another part at the end to me, I go show, you know. But, you know, the song is Shenseea and Derwin the Boys, right? So the song is called Can You Feel It? And it's Shenseea and Kerwin the Boys, right? And it's for Carib. So we don't know if it's like an official song, because when I read the comments, then I see somebody else say we need it on Apple Music. So I don't know if I look them, go look for it on Apple Music and I find it and I say, yo, it need to go up on there. Them just say that. But people, this is a well put together music video, song all together. You see what I say? I'm not lie. I'm really amazed with the quality and you see what I say, the performance all together. So people know I can't really play this song, so I'm going to make you go check it out for yourself. I'm going to put a link to it. But you know what I mean, we just go and talk about it a little bit, and then I'm going to show another part what DJ Khaled do. You know what I mean? And I lie, the boss full of energy. You know him have him ear on and then always I make some nice. Always I rep for the Caribbean as well. So big up DJ Khaled. But people, like me say, you can go watch it. I go find the link. I go put the link to the Instagram. I'm sorry, because I'm not sure if it's elsewhere, but I'm pretty sure it's on Carib Instagram. So I'm gonna use that link and you can check out the full song and full video. Alright, so big up on yourself and stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.
Woo! That was awesome, man! Awesome!
And I want another one.
You know what I'm saying? That's how it goes. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's
Teamwork make a dream work. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Another round on me.
This is home, this is the playground. We will show you how we party, and it's just the way that we play.
Yeah, we be moving all day long. Love the Caribbean playground. Don't judge because I just the way we like to.
It's just the way that we play. Yeah,
Yeah, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Yeah, can you feel it? Yeah, yeah.
Carib, it's the way we play. Drink responsibly.